In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an About Me section to your PayPal profile. Personalizing your profile with a concise bio can greatly enhance its professionalism and provide useful context to anyone interacting with you on the platform. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step for clear understanding. First, you'll need to log into your PayPal account. Once you're successfully on your main dashboard or homepage, carefully look for a series of 3 small dots. These dots typically signify more options or a menu and are often located near areas related to recent activities or common actions, such as a Send Again button. It's important to accurately locate these, as clicking them will reveal a drop-down list of additional settings and actions available for your PayPal account. This initial step is your gateway towards managing and customizing various aspects of your profile. So, proceed by clicking those 3 dots. After you've clicked the 3-dotted line, a menu will promptly appear on your screen, presenting you with various options. From the choices listed in this drop-down menu, you need to find and select Manage Profile. This specific selection is designed to let you update and personalize various details of your PayPal account, extending beyond just simple transactions. Choosing Manage Profile will direct you to a dedicated page for your account settings, bringing us one step closer to adding your biographical information. Ensure you select this option correctly to advance efficiently to the next stage of the process. Now that you're on the Profile Management page, you'll typically find several categories or tabs that organize different aspects of your account. Within these options, locate and click on the one clearly labeled About You. This particular section is precisely where you can define your PayPal presence and share a bit more about yourself. Upon clicking About You, a dedicated text field or an editable area will appear, where you can input your desired bio. This is your opportunity to add a brief description of yourself, your business, or any pertinent information you wish to share with others viewing your profile. Take a moment to craft a concise, professional, and relevant bio that truly reflects what you want to convey. Once you are satisfied with your wording, type in the desired text for your About Me section. After you've composed and thoroughly reviewed your bio in the About You section, the crucial final step is to save your changes. You'll typically find a prominent Save button positioned at the bottom of the page or directly within that specific section where you entered your bio. It's absolutely vital to click this button to ensure all the information you've just entered is successfully updated and registered on your PayPal profile. If you navigate away from the page without clicking Save, your new bio will not be stored, and you would have to re-enter it. After clicking Save, you should receive a confirmation message, confirming that your profile has been updated and your About Me section is now live for others to see. And there you have it. You've successfully added or updated the About Me section on your PayPal profile. This small but impactful addition can significantly enhance your account's presentation, fostering better understanding and connection with those you interact with on the platform.